Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my July Kinder Beauty box unboxing. Now, I do have to apologize, the air conditioner is on in the back. If you can hear it, I'm sorry, but it's hot and oh, it just turned off. But it might come back on again. I'm not turning the AC off because it's hot today, so it is what it is. But before we get into the box, I do want to talk about two products I have on my face. I'm wearing both of these that came in the Medusa's makeup box earlier this month. This is the Halo Glow Face Stick in Beach Bunny, and I've got that on my cheeks. It is kind of a peachy tone. It's very beachy, very summery, I've got a suntan kind of color, and I think it looks really nice. It applied really well on my light skin tone, and I think it is quite buildable, so you could use this on quite a few skin tones, I'm pretty sure. The other item I'm wearing is the dropping stuff. I think these are their tinted chapsticks or something in the color Hustle, and it is this beautiful like blackberry popsicle kind of shade. It's really pretty. I think it's lovely. Really happy with both of these items. Now let's crack into what came in this month's box. So we have two cards this month. One just has a very aesthetic picture of one of their products and a little bit of a write-up about the philosophy behind their products. The other one is where we would have gotten the descriptions of our products, but once again they are doing this thing where they want you to go online even though they put a card in the box. Just print it on the card. This is so stupid. This makes me so mad, but let me go ahead and get my phone, scan the stupid barcode so I can read you the descriptions of the products. So the first item in the box here is a makeup brush. This is from Jasmine, and it is the Detail Setting Brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic. The handle feels really nice. There's like a soft metallic finish on the ferrule, and the bristles are really nice, very packed. I really like this kind of brush for setting under the eye or for doing a highlight, a very like concentrated highlight. I think these are a really nice shape. I quite like these. So let's read about it. This is an $18 value, jasminebeauty.com. Precisely apply powder foundation and setting powders with the help of Jasmine Beauty's detailed setting brush. Not only does this detailed setting brush make your makeup look even more natural, but it lends far more control to your average applicator. So, like that. So far we're starting off pretty good. I'm always happy to get a new brush, especially when the quality seems really nice. The next item we have is from JulieG, and I am quite a fan of this brand. I like their body wash, I like their body scrub, so we're gonna learn more about the hand cream. This is the Mango Hand Cream with beta-glucans and oat proteins for hydrating and agelessness. And this is 2 milliliters, so you would be able to travel with this, which is really nice. Maybe I will stick this in my travel stuff because I'd probably just use it all over my body and not just on my hands. I mean, it's just lotion, but that's a good size for travel. Anyway, let's read the description. This is a $6.99 value. JulieG is really affordable, which I love. Chocked full of moisturizing botanicals, JulieG Very Clean Mango Hand Cream is formulated to soothe the driest, most sensitive of skin and leave hands velvety soft. So, 2 for 2 so far. Very pleased with both of these. The next item in the box is from Referral, and this is the nose patch pore and oil control. There's 16 patches in here. I haven't had nose patches in a long time, so I'm kind of excited to play with them. They're just kind of fun, I think. So let's see. These are a $14.99 value. For 16 of them, I feel like that's not terrible. Don't let a blemish get the best of your confidence. The Referral Nose Patch Pore and Oil Control gently absorbs oil and gunk and fights off buildup and inflammation without hurting or enlarging your pores. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to play with these because, I mean, I don't think nose patches are necessarily the pinnacle of skincare, but they are fun. Like, they're just morbidly, grossly fun. The next item is from Cuccio Somatology, and it's the Yoga. Why did I have to say it like that? Yoga, but it's spelled like that. Yoga. See, I'm not making that up. Cooling spot therapy with peppermint and green tea. Temple rub for clarity and peace of mind. So, because it is specifically called out as for your temples, I'm not going to bother reading the ingredients. It's not made for all over the face. And I actually really enjoy putting peppermint oil on. Not enjoy, like that's... I do tend to put peppermint oil on my temples if I'm having a very bad headache that nothing seems to be helping, and I do find it very relieving. So I'm excited to have a specific product just for that purpose. Let's do a little reading. It is a $39 value. Need help resetting your mind and body after a long day? Grab the Gucci Somatology Cooling Spot Temple Therapy with Peppermint, longest name ever, and give yourself a gentle facial massage to help feel rebalanced and less stressed. So this is not the most exciting thing to me. I obviously can just take the peppermint oil I already use and dab it on my temples, but it's interesting and I will certainly be giving it a shot. And the last product in the box is from One Kind. These are acid drops overnight resurfacing serum. Brightens, clarifies, and retexturizes with AHA, BHA, and Hydra Cactus Complex. I do really like the packaging. This particular shade of blue and the metallic writing. The packaging's really, really nice. So let's read a little bit about it. This is a $48 value, so it's our most expensive item in the box. Get softer skin overnight with One Kind's Acid Drops Overnight Resurfacing Serum. The leave-on multi-acid retexturizing serum gently improves skin texture, leaving it visibly brighter, smoother, and hydrated. Now, of course, I have to look at the ingredients, and let's see, I guess about halfway through it starts getting a little questionable. Lavender oil, rose oil, chamomile. Well, the chamomile's an extract. I'm not so concerned about that. Geranium flower oil, more rose oil, citronella, yeah, linalool. I won't be putting this on my face. There's way too many fragrant ingredients for me personally. So if this fits in the giveaway box, I'll be putting it in the giveaway box because the giveaway box is quite full. Tune in to the July empties if you'd like to enter to win the giveaway box. But if not, I'll give it to a friend. Either way, I'm not keeping this. It's disappointing. The most expensive item in the box. And why does it feel like this happens almost every month? I think there's one month that didn't happen. That the most expensive item is also chock full of things that I just don't really think are necessary to skincare. So, very annoying, but at least someone else will get the chance to try it. So, looking back at this month's box in summation, my favorite items are the least expensive ones, which is kind of funny, but the brush and the nose patches and the hand cream I'm all very excited about. I'm not super excited about this cooling spot therapy, but I will give it a shot and use it because I do understand the science behind that. But the most expensive item being the one that's full of crap for your face, it's very disappointing. I'm gonna probably not give this the best grade. I'm gonna give it a B-. There are some things here I'm excited about, but this is really a womp womp. And while I will use this, it doesn't excite me. So that's my opinion on this month's box. I'd love to know what products did you get? Did you get all the same thing or a few different things? Definitely let me know down below. Do you disagree? Do you think this is awesome? I know a lot of you just tend to disagree with me because I guess your skin just doesn't have quite the reaction to fragrant things like mine does, and that's totally fine. We're all different. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button to stick around for a while. Check out Amandaphenomenon.com. I've been posting a ton of new blog posts, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye!